Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Right now, we're going to replace one broken part of my 2021 Daiwa Certate SW6000H. Okay, this one. Okay, it got broken, so I managed to fix it, but I want to keep it in original version with no visible broken parts. Okay, this. Okay, and I got these items from Hedgehog Studios Japan. So supposedly this is the cover. Okay. And then one more part. These are the plastic collars. Okay, for the line roller. Okay, the issue with this Daiwa is when I bought it brand new. Okay, I didn't do preventive maintenance, so I didn't loosen the line roller, and I didn't lube or grease a bit the drag washer. So the issue with this is every time I get a strike, the drag does not continuously rotate, so it's stopping like it's not continuous. It's like it runs and then it stops, it runs and then it stops, like lagging. Okay, so I tried when I observed this. So I tried to. Oh, so I greased. I added some grease on the drag washers. Okay, not too much. Okay, then when I tried to loosen this, okay, it doesn't come off anymore. So I forced to remove it, but the shaft on the bail wire, air bail, got removed. So the meaning to say that the bolt got stuck. So it forced also the plastic, which retains the bolt itself, to be removed. So I should have done that the first time before I used the reel. Okay, to loosen it a bit, not too much, just a bit. So when you use it for very long period, it doesn't get stuck. You can still tighten it a bit and then loosen it, or just loosen it directly if it comes to that you can, you are able to loosen the bolt, this bolt. So I managed to fix it because there's no available bail wire. You cannot buy this piece unless you send this item to Japan, so they're able to fix it, or any authorized service centers listed on Daiwa website. I think there's one in Malaysia, Korea, Japan, in Asia, and Europe also. There's one in Europe and America. So I fixed it myself because I don't want to send my reel because it will take some time. So I managed to fix it. Okay, but I still needed to replace the collars. Okay, the bearing collars. So basically that's it. So hopefully this part will fit this cover, the arm cover. Okay, bail wire arm cover, the left side. Okay, and I will update you later on. So update, this is the new side cover. Okay, see, fits perfectly well. Okay, listed is the 2021 Certate SW6000XH. So the H and the XH has similar part on this, and this is the broken one that I have repaired. Does not look bad, but I still want, I just chose to replace it with a new one. It's not that obvious. Let's see, and this is the new one, shiny. All right. That's all. Thank you for watching my video. Hope to share some more videos soon. Right.